That's cool. Wow, look at that. Hang on, pull it back so I can see it. Okay, don't move, just stay still. Let me. What is all that? Is that like the honey that they're on this other side that they're building up?
This side?
Yeah. What are those?
Just comb.
Wow.
Excuse me. Let me put this back. Well, I can really hear right here.
Can you?
Mm-hmm.
Dang. Oh, look at all that honey. Is that honey? It's like glistening. Looks like it, doesn't it?
I think so. I'm trying to figure out what all that orange stuff is. If that's
Is that like the pollen, maybe?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, but I don't think it's European foul brood. Trying to find the brood, make sure everything's okay.
Is that the queen? No. Look at that big old.
Yeah, I think that's the queen. Good eye.
You think so?
I don't think she's laying eggs. What's she doing?
Is that her on the side?
Yeah, let's put this guy back. I see her.